So you got 12 times negative 3/4, right? So this is a number, like a whole number, multiplied by a fraction. So when we're multiplying fractions, we like to multiply the tops and then multiply the bottoms. The problem here is that we've got a whole number times a fraction, and so it's a little confusing. So what we like to do is we like to take the whole number, or the integer, and turn that into a fraction. So if you were to turn 12 into a fraction, what would it look like? There you go. Perfect. And we can just go there and just do this. 12 over 1, right? So that's 12 over 1. I mean, I could write it out neatly if I wanted to. 12 over 1 times negative 3 over 4. But I just like to go in with the red pen and just go over 1, right? But the point is you multiply the tops and then you multiply the bottoms, right? So we can cross cancel with the 12 and the 4. So I'll come back and do that afterwards. But for now, I'm just going to, a lot of students just like to multiply it because they're like, oh, that makes more sense. So we can just multiply it for fun. 12 times 3 are on the tops. So 12 times 3 is 30. Yep. And on the bottoms, 1 times 4. 4. And the sign should be positive or negative. Negative, right, because it's a positive number times a negative number, so that's a negative. And put that negative in line with the fraction bar, right, that, see? So we have negative 36 over 4, which makes negative 9, right. Now the other way to do it is, and probably the more efficient way, and the way I would like y'all to learn, I guess, is to cross cancel before you multiply it because it's less work. It's more efficient, right? So 4 into 4 goes once. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. Yes. So now we have on the top 3 times 3, which is 9. And on the bottom, 1 times 1. 1. Awesome. And it's positive times negative, so that makes it a negative number. So a negative in line with the fraction bar. Negative 9 over 1, which is simply negative 9. Yep, perfect. All right. So there's our 2 ways, I guess.